How's it going? We are getting ready to set up stuff here. Let's see here. All right, we're good to go. Hey everyone, welcome on in. We're going to be doing a Thanksgiving stream is what we're doing. We're doing a Thanksgiving stream today. And we will be doing background music, player coordinate positions, multiplayer coordinate positions. And we'll figure out how it works. Because last time, where we left off yesterday was we went into a place where it didn't work. That's what we did. It went into a place where it didn't work, and so we want to fix that. Let's see if we can fix that and make that work. That's the plan for today. All right, here we go. Let me do a quick little click a button here. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. That's fine. Whatever. All right, so let's get into it. Let's just jump right into it. Hey, Banana Fosters, how's it going? Welcome on in. We're doing a Thanksgiving video game that well, actually, it's not really a game based on Thanksgiving or anything like that at all. Not even close. Not even a smidgen. Let's see here. All right, so it's a game where the AI learns to chase you. That's it. That's all it is. That's all it is. Hey, how's it going? How's it going, guys? Good to see you. Welcome on in. It's Thanksgiving today. I hope I've got food in the oven, and we're gonna go over to Sam's house in a little bit. Before that, though, we have time while the food's cooking. I can just play some software coding. That's what we can do. We do some software coding. We can do some software coding, you guys. All right, so let's make that happen. Let's make it happen. All right, where are we at now? All right, so where did we leave off? So yesterday, we got our networking code working slightly. We got it working slightly, only just a smidgen. And we found that there was a problem. All right, so I think, where did I want to do, how did I want to do this? All right, I was thinking this through the other day, and having this all in one thread, I don't know if that's the best option. I don't know if it's the best possible option. I'm not sure about that. Let me see here. Let me double check. Here we go. Click that button there. Perfect. All right, everything's set up. All right, good to see you guys. Welcome on in. All right, so hey Quantum Legend. Hey Quantum Legend, how's it going? Good to see you. We're having a Thanksgiving coding session is what we're doing. A Thanksgiving coding session is what we're doing today. All right, so let's see here. So we've got, let me see where we're at. Let me just run it real quick. All right, Python.game. Python game. Here we go. All right, let's run it. Where are we at? Okay, sending player coordinates, publishing message, and then it just stops, right? Oh, sending player coordinates, okay. All right, so far so good. But then it stops publishing? Is that what's going on? Oh, it stops publishing. Okay, so I got to figure out why it stops publishing. All right, let's see if we can fix this. You guys. What happened to your face? What do you mean what happened to my face? It's perfectly fine. Juki? What do you mean? Parajukic. What do you mean? What are you talking about? I think it's fine. It's fine. We're good to go. Everything's fine. Let's see here. I want to figure out why. So here's the deal. Why does it stop publishing? That's what I want to know. Here, let's go ahead and, no, public. Okay. I found something. Face lifting is okay. That's not, I guess that's fine. Hey, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Let's see here. All right, so let's comment this stuff out real quick. Actually, you know what? While true, we'll just say continue here. So we'll bypass all that code. We'll bypass that code to see if we figure out where the issue is. All right. So we should be seeing here on the screen. Oh wow, a whole bunch of ones. All right. Too many ones are happening. Way too many ones. All right. We gotta stop that. I think what happened was we forgot to keep the sleep in here. We need this here. All right, just a smidge too much is happening. We crashed Python really good there. Happy Thanksgiving to you, bro. All right, nice. Good to see you. What are your thoughts on the best way to leverage AI as an aspiring software engineer? Use the frameworks and then get your data. So the hardest thing with AI is the data. It's all about the data. You need to get in the right shape. Hey, happy Thanksgiving. Yeah. What are you working on? Oh, Anon reviews. We're working on a game where the AI learns to chase you. And it's not pretend AI, it's real AI. Like, not pretend, like full-on real AI. Right, so we're using Pytorch. We're using Pytorch, you guys. Thank you for the likes, appreciate it. We're using Pytorch and Pygame for the rendering. It's really straightforward. It's really simple. All right, we don't need to print these anymore. All right, let's see if we get the 2s in there while not empty. All right, so that should be popping up there any second. All right, let me then rerun it here. All right, so we should be yep, player. Oh, good. All right, now it's working. Now it's working. There we go. That's what I want to see. All right. We're looking good now. All right. We just had a few tiny little problems. We're good to go though. We're good to go. All right, so we know how to program. It only took a whole day to figure that out. All right, great. Excellent. All right, let's get back over here. Good to see. Hey, Nick Talk, how's it going? Welcome on in, Nick Talk. Good to see ya. All right, happy Thanksgiving. Let's see here. What do we want to do next? All right, let's get rid of that. We're good to go. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it for a little heart icon showing up there on the screen. Thank you, Nick Talk, for liking the stream. Hey, Travis, Well Tech, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thanksgiving. We're gonna have fun getting our game going here. I wanted to add. So Kevin said that we needed to add player ghosting. So that's what we're adding right now, player ghosting. And what we want to do is get that working. And then Torva gave us some music, and we want to add that into background music. That would be a great day if we could get both of those things working. I think that's a great day. I'm really excited for that. All right, let's see here. So here's our subscriber URL. We'll call this the sub URL. All right, and we're going to undo that. Let's get that going here. The sub URL. Thank you for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. The sub URL over here, and I want to add that into right here. There we go. The sub URL. Oh, TBH. All right. How do I start using Vim? Like, oh, hey, that's what we're doing now. We're using Vim. Like, how do I get into the learning? Oh, I got you. Looking at you like this is so efficient. Yeah, I love Vim. It's my favorite. Oh, it's so good. I could just, whoops. Sorry about that over there on the clock platform. I had your screen obscured. You couldn't see what was going on. That seems like a problem. A smidgen of a problem there. Sorry about that. All right. So what I do here, check this out. All right, Quantum Legend. Are you ready? Quantum Legend? Are you ready for it? Are you ready, Quantum Legend? Here you go. Go to your terminal window. Type in Vim Tutor. Press enter. You will be presented with a screen where it's the text editor, and then you'll probably use your arrow keys on your keyboard. You'll be like moving up and down arrow keys on your keyboard, right? Up and down with the arrow keys on your keyboard on the screen, and then what you do is you start learning your Vim motions. So you'll learn K, like these. You learn K, L, H, and J, right? There you go. And then you start moving around to characters with the screen like that. Right? And then this is the tutor. And then you just keep going through it. And that's it. That's how you do it. It does take a bit. We also made a video on it if you're interested in Vim Tutor. Vim Tutor. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So that's the way you do it. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. All right. So let's see. Now we got that. Sub URL is good to go. Let's see. I want to see print 3. Hey, Karma Gupta. I'm back, bro. Do you remember me? Of course. You've been here for many streams. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, so where are we at here? We should be seeing print 3 on the screen. I want to see print 3. That's what I want to see. I want to see print 3. Can we get that going? Can we see print 3? Okay, good, we are. We're seeing print 3. Oh, ghost coordinates. All we have to do is render it now. All we have to do is render the ghost coordinates. Hey, there we go. All right. How are we gonna do that? We need a ghost element is what we got to do. A ghost element. All right, let's close that. All right. Any advice? I'm having issues understanding Network Plus. Wait, Perso. What is Network Plus? I don't even know what that is. I'll check out the video, man. Thanks. Hey, you're welcome, Quantum Legend. Happy to hear it. What is Network Plus? I don't even know what that. What is Network Plus? Perso. I don't know what that is. Oh, you're cooked? I know. I mean, you're probably fine. You'll figure it out. Do not stop. Do not give up. You're cooked if you give up. You are cooked if you give up. Don't give up. Keep going, you guys. Do not give up. All right, here we go. I want to. So we've got the ghost coordinates. We're good. All right, we did it. We succeeded. So all we have to do now is get the ghost out and then render all the ghost coordinates on the output. That's all we got to do. That's it. That's all we got to do. All right, so we will do that in somehow. I don't know. Let's see where we got. So here's the in. All right, so here's in send play record and maybe also we'll also draw. Let's see. If is not empty, then we can draw, right? So this is what we'll do. If the output is not empty, then we'll draw it. That's the plan, you guys. All right, so draw a circle based on the XY coordinates. Game screen. Let's see if that works. What would be nice is if we could make here. Let's just do that. Let's just do that in really quick. We'll make that happen. We'll see if we can go with this. We'll see if we can go with this. Is it drawing? It says it. Oh, is it? Maybe. I don't see any circles on the screen. I don't see any circles. Oh no. I don't see any circles. Okay. Let's add some log statements to make sure if not out. If not empty, right? Okay, so let's do print this. Let's print this. Let's see if it's empty or not. I want to see if it's empty. Boop, 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 boop. All right, X. There we go. F that. Press that. Bro, I know nothing of coding, but I still come here. You do? Karmu Gupta? Hey, it's happy to have you here. Great to have you here. That's excellent. It's fantastic. Well, you maybe become a coder someday, right? Maybe someday. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the likes that are happening over there. All right, let's see what else we got here. What else? All right, so I'm going to print that and see what's happening. And this should say true. This should be true. I assume it's going to be a big flood of true, right? Yep, see, it's a bunch of true. It's a bunch of true. Although, it should say false at some point. I should see a false in there, right? Is that happening? Is it happening? Let's scroll up here. Do we see any falses? Yes, we do. All right, so it is happening. It is happening, you guys. All right, so we need to get the, all right, so we get the ghost. And so let's do this. Let's just paste it here. And it should say false, and we should be able to see the ghost coordinate. Let's do a full white. Let's do all white. Full on white. There we go. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. All right, let's pop this back over here. And let's see. Oop, well, no, we don't want to do that. We clicked the wrong window. Wrong window clicking. There we go. All right, so I see out false. All right, so it's jumping in, and it says it's rendering. Oh, we have to blit the screen. I forgot. Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Here, send coordinates is in the wrong spot. Yeah, there it is. All right, there we go. We just got about to put it on the right spot. We forgot to do that. All right, so now we should be seeing a whole bunch of stuff. Maybe, please. That's what I was thinking. It's got to be that. It has to be that. Maybe we have to also run a blit or something, or the XY coordinates are not correct. Well, all right, we're going to figure this out. And then we're going to move on to music. All right, what else we got here? Send coordinates, flip. Do we have to, so render player, does it have to always, does it blit? That's what I'm wondering. Does it blit? So after we render the circle, here, /CAR circle. All right. Draw circle. Where is this? Text game blit. No, that's for the screen. That's for the text. But this should just straight up draw the circle. This should right here. It should just draw the circle perfectly fine. Oh, much country are you from? Which country? United States in Seattle, Washington. That's where we are. Karma Gupta. Thank you for asking. We are in Seattle, Washington. Washington, you guys, and we're making a game. Not a very good game, don't get me wrong. It's not like we're a game developer. We can't claim to be a game developer. We're just say we're an enthusiast. Let's just say we're an enthusiast. All right. So that draws, that renders, that goes on the screen. So why is it not drawing the things that I know why. It is drawing it. We just can't see it because it's in one frame. That's what's happening. It's in one frame. Okay. I know what to do. I don't want to do it. All right. I know what to do. I don't want to have to do it. Where is it? Where's my stuff? All right. Where is it? Where's my game? All right. So players. What we'll do is we'll create a list of entities. We'll just create a list of entities in the game class. All right. That's what we're going to do. All right. So let's do ghosts. All right. Ghost is a list of entities. There we go. A list of entities, you guys. And then we append them to the ghost. And we also have to update it so that way we pass in the user ID We got to pass in the user ID as well. So then we can, it's got to be a dictionary of user IDs. That's what we need, a dictionary, not a list. All right, let's go back to that. It's got to be a dictionary. Can I do dictionary like that? Can I do that? List, where's that? List. I think I can do that. I'm pretty sure make this multiplayer game where we all Stephen Blum's Fate fans can play together and defeat each other. That would actually be a lot of fun, right? A full-on battleground. We could absolutely do that. We absolutely could. That could be a lot of fun. I do want to eventually, I want to wrap this game. I want to get it to just like a general okay state, and then launch it on the App Store and let it be. And then I want to move on to getting more into artificial intelligent algorithms. I want to go deeper into AI algorithms. I want to do more reinforcement learning. I want to do more Rust with AI. I think those are a lot of more fun projects as well. We just got stuck with this game because it was a lot of fun. How do we do this? How do we say, can we just do dick? Can we just do that? There we go. That's what we got to do. Right there. All right. Send underscore. All right. This is what we're looking for. And UUID. User ID is a STR. All right. So that's what we need to do. User ID is an STR. And then so that'll be the player. And then we also need to add a user ID. We got to add in the user ID. Otherwise, it's not going to work. It won't work otherwise. So how do we go about doing that? I want to create a user ID for the user, and maybe the player is going to have you. All right, so where is it? Player. Let's get to this. Let's do this. All right, so player is going to have a user ID, and it will be a string. There we go. And then when we instantiate the player, we are going to give it a random user ID. It's got to be random. np.random. Can we do like a random string is what I want? How would we go? A UUID 4 is what I want. So let's do that. Import UUID. And then we'll just do UUID 4. All right. Python UUID import UUID UUID.UUID 4. Is that, there we go. And then we do an str on that, right? Is that how we do that? All right. Perfect. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I want. Excellent. All right, user ID. Player user ID. User ID is going to be this. There we go. Perfect. Hey, make this. Are these live sessions saved as videos? Yes, they are. Guru Teha. Yeah, they are. You're right. They are saved. What you doing? Hey, Jordan Adley. What are we doing? We are making a game where the AI learns to chase you, and we're adding ghosting into the experience. All right. So I want send underscore. All right. So and this will be game.player.user ID. I think. Let's try that. And then we need to, when we draw this, it's going to be, this will probably still work. But what we need to do is we need to update the dictionary for the game where the player IDs exist. Game dot, what do you call it? Ghosts. Perfect. It's going to equal ghost. That's what we want. And then we need to, if not empty. No, not if not empty. While not empty. While not empty. You gotta do it differently. Oh no, Python. Yuck, Python. What are you talking about? Yuck, Python. Python's amazing. Hey, Torva, welcome on in. Happy Thanksgiving. We're gonna be adding your game music today as well. We're just finishing up the player ghosting. Hey, Naruto Runner. I want to get into game building. Do you have any tips? Unity. Get into Unity and C#. That's the way to, if you really want to get into it. Unity and C#. That's the way. Rust is the goat. You got it, Nick Talk. Rust. Also, Rust is amazing. If you want to build a AAA game or you want to build a game that is really good, you want to get into Rust. That's the way to do it, Nick Talk. You got it. Yes, BLK Instant Live closed captioning is amazing. Isn't it good? It's really good. I like it. I'm really happy about it. We built it. We built it all ourselves. Have you ever had a broken heart? Yes, Karma Gupta, many times. I don't like to think about it. We're good now. It never happened. You don't have to think about it. Just push it out of your mind. It's all good. It never happened, you guys. Never happened. Oh, thank you for the gift, Badger. Appreciate it. Aaron R, thank you so much. All right, let's see. Have you? We want to not wild. Okay, good. Go. Ghost. It's going to be this, and then we're going to add the ghost ID. All right, and then we're going to draw a circle. We need to do this also. So we need to for ghost in this. Okay, we need to draw for every time, every frame. So now we've got the ghost ID and lists. Wait. No, this is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. We gotta fix this. This is broken right here. When coding fails, heartbroken. I know, right? When coding fails, a heartbroken. You got it. I'm gonna use PubNub in the upcoming Agentics Foundation Hackathon for TV5. Nick Talk, that sounds great. You should do that. You should do it. Have you ever done PowerShell, or what coding did you start with? I started with C++. Which is the wrong kind of coding to start with, because C++, you guys, C++ has a lot of problems. Didn't know you knew Python. Yep, Python's the way to go. Aaron R, I love Python. Python's great. It's really easy. It's straightforward, easy to read, and easy to understand. It's a necessary programming language today because it's used for artificial intelligence. It's used for data science purposes. It's used for server development and a whole bunch of other scriptings. It should be something that you use and learn for any job, really. For any job. C# is great if you want to get the job. What's also really good is making ROM hacks, since it shows the understanding of how stuff is processed and saved. Nice, Torva. Nice. That is actually a really good idea. Good idea. All right, what do we got here? We know each other. Oh, really? Aaron, wait, Aaron. Oh, Aaron, we know each other. You invested in my company. I know. All right, yeah, I remember that. Hey, Aaron, how's it going? Welcome on in. Oh, we in San Francisco, right? In San Francisco. I moved to Seattle. Aaron. It's good to see you. Whoa. That's crazy, Aaron. I thank you for reminding me. I forgot. Like I on my screen, like your little icon, it shows up very tiny. I'm very tiny on my screen because I'm running on my phone. That's so cool that you're here. Happy Thanksgiving. What are you doing for Thanksgiving? Wish you were my professor in college. Love your energy and enthusiasm. Nice, BLK. Thank you, BLK. That's awesome to say. Appreciate it. Yes, Aaron. Yeah, Aaron. That's so cool. That's amazing. Hope you're doing fun. Hope you're having your amazing adventures again. From Beacon Hill in Seattle rocks. Nice, Beacon Hill. I'm actually not too far away from Beacon Hill. I'm not too far. Web3 MetaTrader. Web3 MetaTrader, not too far away. Hanging out in Thailand. Just moved here recently. Whoa, in Thailand? That sounds amazing. You probably have, you're probably set up, right? Does the dollar go a little bit further in Thailand, or I'm just curious about that. I'm curious because if you move to another country, usually the food is fantastic. Nice, that's awesome. That's great to hear. Really good, food. Yes, absolutely, it does. Nice. Dollar stretching further, you guys, in Thailand. Yeah, Aaron, we've been doing good over here. We've been doing a whole bunch of things. Hey, Ashford, I saw your message. I just saw you. I love you. Are you awesome? Mobus, hey, good to see you. Welcome on in. And I want to build a system to claim free games from Epic Games automatically. Can you please tell me how to approach your idea? I don't know about that. I don't know how you can do free games, you guys. Free games sounds hard. About $500 a month here for living costs? No way! I spend a lot. I spend way too much in the year. You're doing good, Aaron. That's amazing, Aaron. That's great. That's so good to hear. That's a really good cost of living. That's a fantastic cost. Hey, Ashford, what are we doing today? We're gonna get our game ghosts to show up on the screen. Stay real time, stay awesome, and stay coding. The jam. That's right. That's what we're gonna do. You got it as first and the programming language in general. Musical X is 100% the great choice. Not confusing at all. Is Musical X actually? Are you, Torva, are you for serious? Aaron R must be nice. It sounds nice. It does. It really sounds nice. And I bet the food is great too. Nice. Yeah, it sounds like it, doesn't it? It sounds amazing. All right, so we need to, for the keys for Ghost ID, for keys. No, we don't want keys for values. We'll say G. We'll just call it G. We'll just call it G, you guys. G. There we go. G. All right. That should work now. I think that'll work. I'm pretty sure that'll work because it will always draw those ghosts on the screen. This summer, my power bill alone was 500. I know, right? Failed reality. Failed reality. I know. It's really expensive just for heating and for cooling, right? For cooling, for air conditioning. What AI do you use to ask questions for coding? I use ChatGPT. And no, it's not the best realistically. Claude. I like Claude a lot. Hey, Sachin Analyzes. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, Sachin. Good to see you here. Epic Games give away free games every Thursday. I always have to log in every Thursday and claim it. Oh, got it. Okay. Got it. I got it. I see what you're saying. And new mystery game season is coming. So you can tell some automation ideas. That would be great. All you have to do is know if it's there, and then you have to create a bot to download it. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. All right, let's see if we can keep going here. Let's see if we can keep going. All right, is this going to work, or is it going to crash? I'm actually kind of curious. Let's see. Let's do Python game. All right, did we do it? Nope, we crashed it. We crashed it. All right, what happened? Missing acquired. All right, so game. All right, so right here. What line is that on? 306? Okay, 306. And then we need to go ghosts equals an empty array. That's it. That's all we got to do. That's it. That's it right there. Ghosts. Perfect. Ghosts, you guys. Eddie Legendary. Hey, how's it going, Eddie Legendary? Happy Thanksgiving. They were dead, though. Wait, Aaron, wait, what do you mean they were dead? Not always got my work desk today. Hey, work desk. And it had snakes. Did it have snakes in the box? Did it? Aaron has snakes in the box? That sounds like a problem. That sounds like a little bit of a problem. I'm a fresher. Which language should I choose for data structures and algorithms? Python is an easy starter because you don't have to worry about too much of the syntax. You could also do C. C is also really good for data structures and algorithms. Those are two good options. I think Python, though. Root Wheel, greetings again, brother, from Ecuador. All right. Sam Sutlin, welcome on in. Good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, so did we do it? We added it right there. All right, so it's going to run now. All right, there it goes. It runs. But we have an error. Key ID. Oh, because it's not ID, right? Good old. The good old. Yep. All right, so it's going to be user. Oh, wait. What is it? What even is it? What did we set it to? Oh, we never even set it. All right, user ID is user ID. Boom. All right, boom. All right, user. You know what? Let's just say ID. I like that better. There we go. Let's keep it easy. There. Now we didn't have to change much at all. All right. That should work better. That should work a smidgen better. Still not showing on the screen, though. Eventually we'll get it. Oh, no. It is working. It is working. See, you can see the player ghosts now. Kind of. Every second. See there? See where the player ghost was? And it shows you where it was previously. See, it's jumping around there. All right, so if I stay in one spot, see, there it goes. All right, it's working. We got the player ghost showing up. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a hollow circle over here. And it's just me playing. It's just me. Hey, the tech man, you added chat. Let's go. I know we added chat, right? Quantified was like, we should add in chat. I'm like, okay, well, let's add in chat. I think that's a good idea. Hey, how's it going? I need a quality assurance analyst friend. Ooh, hey, there you go. Some QA analysts. Well, I can help you out there a little bit. Just a smidgen. Nice to see you here again. Hey, it's good to see you too. Welcome on in. Happy Thanksgiving. Good to see you. I made banner for the game if you want me to send it in free resources. A banner? Oh, like a starting screen? Let's do it, Eddie Legendary. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. All right, so we added the ghost. I want the ghost to be a little bit more prevalent. Let's add the ghost to a smidgen more prevalence. Let's add a smidge more prevalence. Draw circle. Let's do this. 20? Let's do that. 20. Let's just say 20. I don't know if that's going to work or not. That looked like the one we needed it to be. Is it going to show up? What's the ghost, though? It's your previous position. There it is. All right, that might look like it's a little too not obvious what it is. All right, just a smidgen of not obvious what it is. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it the player size. So we'll do it game.player.size. Player.size, there we go. Player.size, and then we will just do like maybe 4. So it's just a smidge better on the screen. Just a smidge better. Aaron R., thank you for being the #1 badge gifter. I appreciate it. That's so cool. I think the numbers of the levels should have a shorter frame, and the colors should be different. BLK, I'm with you on that. BLK. Like the background might look great in contrast for the neo-colored circles. Ah, we could do that. We could. You're right. We could. Let's do that. We'll change the background. All right, background. Do we have that in here anywhere? Do we have this background? We have the background. All right. So, see, we can't make it all because we have a screen shake effect. So we need to change the background a smidge. All right, where's our background here? Background. All right, so background. We could make it all 0, though we need to draw the screen. All right, so where's the background? All right, so let's see where we're rendering the background. We need to also draw the background here. Background shake, background rectangle. If shake, okay. Color, game draw, rectangle. We need to draw 2 rectangles. Where is the other rectangle? Oh, fill. Here we go. White. All right, there we go. Now we know what you're doing. I mean, what's the point of just visual thing or somehow it helps in the game? It doesn't help. I don't think it helps. Hey, how's it going, Capit? My brother. Capit, how's it going? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thanksgiving. How's it going? How's it going over there? I sent it. Sorry if it's too bad. Hey, it's pixel art. Eddie Legendary. Let's check it out. Let's check it out right now. Let's see what it looks like. All right. Free resources. All right. Hey, that's actually pretty good. That's actually really good. Nice. All right. Let's add this. Let's add this in. How do we? Let's download it. Let's do this one. It's got a bunch of ones and zeros. Let's do save image. All right. We'll save it over there. We'll call it game cover.png. Game cover PNG in the desktop. So let's do this over here. CP download game cover. Here we go. There we go. Eddie Legendary. It's in there. It's in there now. Wish all the best for you. Nice. Yeah, that's nice. Excellent. Excellent. Isn't it? I thought it was pretty good. All right. So I changed the color for you. BLK, I changed the color. Oh, wait. That's not the one. Nope, not that one. That was the wrong one. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. Game, Python game. Here we go. Actually, let's double check. Is game, yeah, all right. Python game.py. Game.py. Perfect. Okay. Oh, the background color didn't work. It's not what I thought it was going to be. What happened? Oh, so it's supposed to be all dark. Oh, I know. I get it. Okay, so what's the community project coding session? Wait, so this is kind of. I mean, it's open source. BLK, it's completely open source. That chair looks comfy. It's pretty good. I like it. It looks fancy. It's just an Amazon chair. It's just from Amazon. It's the Amazon Basics. It looks good though, doesn't it? It looks good. It's the Amazon Basics chair. All right, so I want to, let's see here, go back over here. So the background, so what's happening is we're drawing a rectangle that changes color. So that's not going to fully work the way we wanted it to because we have the screen shake and the color changes. So I suppose we could do something like that and make it darker. Is that going to work? Are we going to make it darker? Not quite. All right, let's go back over here. Undo that. Let's go back over here. I want to double check. All right, so see how the screen gets red? It gets like red. Okay. All right. Eddie, no need to thank us for stating the facts. Thank you so much. Did you ever code in your dreams? Yes, it happens. Karma Gupta, it does happen. Do you stream like this pretty often? I do every day, every weekday. Alex, thank you for the subscription. Welcome on in. Good to have you. This channel is for artificial intelligence, Python, JavaScript. We will be doing Rust, and maybe a little bit of Go, maybe some C#. I don't know. We'll just all the sorts of fun. It's mostly AI focused. We will be building. When you releasing to the Play Store? Yes, we will. We'll release it to the Play Store. We'll try to make it just a smidge better, just a smidgen better. Hey, Red, thank you for the 2 jewels. Thank you for sending the 100 for 2 jewels. Appreciate it. And Failed Reality sent you some awesomes. Hey, thank you. You're awesome. Thank you. You're awesome. You guys are awesome. Red and Failed Reality. Thank you, you guys. Appreciate it. Dude, you're CTO of sizable communications technology company. Yeah, you're right. And you're on YouTube making silly little games. I know, right? Isn't it great? It's like the best. It's the best job ever, you guys. It's the best job ever. Amazing. Yeah, we've got over 1 billion connected devices now. We are in the business. Have you tried effects.typescript? It's pretty interesting experience for me so far. I have not tried Effects.typestream. Effects makes me, of course, think of React. You're so energetic. What do you drink? BLK, we just drink water and eat healthy. That's what we do. We drink water and eat healthy, you guys. That's what we do. Drink water and eat healthy. All right, so let's turn this. We got it. I wanted it to be we're going to go. So we've got so much time here. Does it cost money? Release games in the App Store? I think it costs like $50 for the developer license fee on Apple. For Google and Android, I don't know. It's probably like another $20. No coffee or energy drinks. Wow, you got it. No coffee, no energy drinks. We're good to go. All you have to do is eat healthy. Did you know? That's all you have to do. Your body's asking you to eat healthy this whole time. Elon hit 500 billion. Bro's on his way to 1 trillion very soon. The rich, you guys. The rich is there. You exercise? Cap it. We exercise. I used to do 600 push-ups per week. I used to. And then I stopped because I didn't want to anymore. I'm like, I'm done now. I'm done with doing this. I did it at like 600 per week. I'm like, nope, I'm good now. Thanks. I'm done now. I'm good to go. I'm good. I don't want to do any more. So there we go. All right. So I think we're good. So let's add in the music and then we'll call it a day. We'll call it a day. All right. So go send underscore. I want to get rid of these print statements because we don't need them anymore because we finished our debugging. Print. Let's get rid of that. Print, we don't need that. Don't need that anymore. That's fine. We'll keep that. We don't need that. Okay, good. Excellent. Now it should just work perfectly fine. 600 per week. I know, right? It's a little too much. It's a little too much. It's actually not too bad. All you have to do is do 200 3 days a week. 200 3 days a week and you're good. He's always been this way since I met him in 2014. All right, Aaron, you're right. Man, it's crazy. All those years. Isn't it amazing how everything's just like progressing so quickly, Aaron? I think it's amazing. I think it's amazing how everything's just all the artificial intelligence and stuff like that. Yeah, but I've known Aaron for a long time. A long time, yeah, since 2014. It's crazy. It's amazing. Steven, ever touched more grass than us? You probably touch more grass than I do. I am going outside today, though. I'm going to go over to Sam's house, and we're going to have Thanksgiving dinner. You play music well? We will. A smidgen here. Let's actually make it. Let's make it do it. Let's do it. All right. So let's go here. Let's add in the music. So we've got the music. All right. So here is so you see all the wave files. RM. Can we do RM / that? Okay, go. Git add here. Git status. Git commit -am. Let's push it. All right. So, ghosting works. ! Push main. All right. Google Play is just single payment. Nice. All right. Good to hear. Google Pay is $25 on Apple. It's $99 a year. Whoa. That's a smidgen. Did the black background not work? BLK, you're right. It didn't work because, oh wait, how big are the files? How big are these files? Hold on. ls here. Are these big files? 13 megabytes. Okay, that's why. All right, that's why. 13 megabytes. I agree, but there's also a lot of bad buzz that makes it obnoxious to shift through. There is, you're right. There is. It's a lot. It's a lot to deal with. It's a lot. Yeah, so BLK, the dark background didn't work. Wait, what? Wait, which company? It's called PubNub. Here, I'll type it for you. All right, let me click this over here at blur, and let me say this. Let me say at, it's called Pub. There you go, PubNub. It's called PubNub, you guys. There you go. Click. All right. It's okay. So let's see if we can get this going. You build a UHF RFID asset tracking solution, Web3 MetaTrade. There you go. I mean, you can do some pretty neat things with RFID scanners. With some RFID scanners, you guys. Still cheaper than the Mac application. It costs $100 each version you want to upload. Really? How fast do you type? Maybe about like, not very fast. I mean, let's see here. Not very fast. There you go. Not very fast. Like fast enough to where it doesn't matter. Hey, the Possum Tails. Hey, welcome on in. Good to see you, the Possum Tails. Happy to have you here. Happy Thanksgiving. All right. Hello. All right. So we added that in. We got that going. We got the ghosting going. Ghosting is ready to go, you guys. Happy to get it. All right, we got the ghosts. Now what do we want to do? Let's add in the music. All right, so music. I'm pretty sure we've got here. So we've got music.load, and then we could. What I want to do is set background music, and then also have a sound effect. So there's a sound effect. Let's look this up. How do we do this? All right, so sound. Let's go into sound really quick. Sound music. Is there like a sound / sound mixer sound? Because I want to play like a sound effect, not just the music. Music cue. Okay. All right. You know what we could do is we could use the music to load all the level files. Is what we could do. We could use the music to. Have you tried Lazy Vim? Oh yeah, Lazy Vim. The plugin system is fantastic. I've only regular Vim. I'm only using ordinary standard Vim with Groove Box color scheme. Almost missed it. Hey, Quantified Quantum, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Thanksgiving. Do you make ROM hacks of games? I do not, but we could. We absolutely could. I know how to do it. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. The Possum Tales. What are your plans for today? We're gonna go over to Sam's house in a little bit. We're going over to Sam's house for Thanksgiving. Then I have to do work. I've got to do work things. That's the plan. We got to do work things, you guys. All right, so let's get our music going. So let's do music.q. What I want to do is, let's see. Let's set the volume to 50. Let's go 50%. Music.q, and then we'll add in all the levels. Instead of AI. So let's see here. Set volume. Let's close that off real quick. We're gonna set the volume, and we're just gonna get the music going. And it won't be AI. It won't be AI. It will be the levels. It'll be the levels, and we can add all the levels here. Yeah, that's the plan. Dang, that's cool, bro. Keep it up. All right, we will. We'll keep it up, you guys. We'll definitely keep it up. Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. I covered my face there on the clock app. Rip and Dips. It streams. What do you do for work? I'm a web developer. Hey, I got a business. I got a business called PubNub. I'm always catching your streams. Nice. Rip and Dip. Good to see you here. Welcome in. It's good to have you here. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, I've got my own company. Called PubNub. All right. And it's right here. Yep. Oops. Nope. Yep. Reload. All right. There you go. Yep. So we've got we do a lot of things. Delivery, on-demand delivery, shared user experiences, collaborative experiences in the same environment, multiplayer games. We do it all. Communications API company, guys. That's what it is. Communications API company. I'm Canadian. We already thinked out the giving. Did you, Riven Dip? You already thinked it out? Nice. Good to go. You're good to go. Amazing. Hey, bro. Alex, Julio, good. Gonzalez, welcome on in. Happy to see you. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, so let's add in the levels here. So we want level 1, 2, and 3. All right, let's do it. All right, so it's going to be, we'll do level 1, 1.wave. All right, level.1.wave. And then we'll queue up level 2.wave. And then we want to do the same thing with the other ones, right? We want to also queue in level 3 wave, and level 2, but level 2 in a different way because this one is revised. All right. Is that it? Do we get them all? That's all of them. All right, so that's all the music. Perfect. We're good to go. All right. I don't celebrate, but for those who do, happy Thanksgiving. All right, nice. Thank you, Eddie Legendary. So we can have make a game into a IPA file. That way it is free, but sadly only people in the EU can install it since it's mandated by law that Apple can let people sideload apps. Yeah, Torva, you're right. I'm going to put it on the official app store. I will. I'll pay money for it. I'll pay to do it. So generate the color of the player by converting names of the player to num codes and then taking the average as RGB. We could totally do that. Bro, making a game with Python? You're right, A4, we're making a game with Python. You got it. You know, yep, that's what we're doing. All right, let's see if this works. All right, is it going to play? Is it going to play the music? I don't know. We're going to find out. It's playing the music. That just upped the quality of the game all right there, didn't it? That's the quality of the game all good to go. That's the quality of the game. The music just makes it good, right? It works. Nice. Thank you for doing that. Torva, thank you. Torva, thank you for the music. We did it. And then it should go to the next level, right? Or is it because we put negative -1, so it's gonna always play the same song? Is that what we did? Yeah, music. We did it. That's catchy. It's good. Thank you you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate the music rocks. Isn't it good? The color. I'm gonna add the color. Let's do the color. All right. So Quantified Quantum had a good idea. Let's do this. We'll get the music going in the background, and then we'll just like let it play. All right, we'll go over here, bump that down a bit. We'll also turn off this. Here we go. Bring that back over here. All right, looking good. And then I need to bring this over here. All right, I can see everything now. I can see it all. We can see it all. All right, good. We got the game level revised. All right, so what I'd like to do is, so let's see. Hold on. We need to learn about the cue. Let's learn about the cue really quick. Cue a sound file to follow the current. This will load a sound file and cue it. A cued sound will begin as soon as the current sound naturally ends. See, that's the problem. We've got a problem though, because I think we're looping the same song over and over. The first one. I think the first one's looping over and over and over. It's going to be free to download. Free? Yep, 100% free. No problem, Torva. Thank you so much. That was awesome. This is actually really worthwhile. You've upped the quality of the game immensely by doing this. Immensely. Make player leave trails by rendering multiple players each have lesser opacity the further they get. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Like the shadow, like the blur shadow effect. Okay, so let's see. Play 6 times, not 5 times. Oh, that's what's going on. Wait, my alarm is going off, you guys. 1 second. My alarm's going off. I need to change it. 1 second. The Thanksgiving food is in the oven and I have to go turn it off. 1 second. I'll be right back. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Hey, Aaron, thank you for stopping in. Good to see ya. Take care, Steven. Thank you. Enjoy your Thanksgiving and all of your Thailand fun adventures. Your fun adventures. Thank you for stopping in. All right, be right back, you guys. I have to go click a button. You know what? Let's do this one thing real quick. Close that, and then we'll go over here, and then we terminate that. There we go. That's what we do. There we go. Done. Let's see if that works now. Let's just play this, and it should play the first song again. Is it gonna play? Oh, no, it didn't, because we uncommented the play button. I was wondering. I was like, something feels off. All right, so let's play like that. Can we do that? Does that work, or is it gonna cause No, we're good. Okay, good. All right, I'll be right back, you guys. 1 second. There we go. Oh, you got me anyway. All right. We got the Thanksgiving food is ready to go. So that's so cool, isn't it? He's making AI versus human game. Yeah, it's really AI. So you can see the numbers on the screen. See how they update? You can see the input label, the output labels, the input features, and you can see the AI cost, which is the knowledge. And so all you got to do is just don't move. Just don't move. You got to just not move. All right. So Quantified Quantum. So we did get the music going. We got the music going. What I want to do next is I want to add in, we need to add back the AI sound. So that way when you get close to the AI, it goes, whoa, and it's all scary. That's what we want to do. We want to add it in because it's scary. And see here, so the music, it seems like, is it actually cued? Did it stop? All right, let's close. So, what I want to try is, I want to try this. I want to see what level 3 sounds like. Let's see what level 3 sounds, because it seems like this isn't working. All right, so to fix this. This is broken. Yeet. All right. Make player leave trails. All right, I saw that one. So let's see here. Last time I was on the stream, you were still doing assembly. All right, Christopher Smith. Massively different now. I know it's a smidgen different. No, we're getting into games. I want to go back to assembly. I haven't learned it all yet because I dropped out of college and I didn't take that course. And so I want to take that course. Would be great to see all projects ported as web apps one day. Hey, there you go. Which you completely do. You can completely do. It's totally possible. You can totally possible. It is. It's absolutely possible. Let's see. I'll do this -1 because that seems to help. All right. So we'll do level 3. Here we'll go to level 1, 2, and then we'll just comment that out for now. And I will play that to see if that plays in. Is it going to sound different? I think it's going to sound different. It does sound different. That's a smidgen different, you guys. All right. So, Quantify Quantum, before we head out here, let me see. How much time do we have left? All right, we got 10 minutes. We got 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes left, you guys. Let's see here. I want to add in... the colors. The name of the player. All right, so player names. So what we could do is we can bit shift... and convert the player into a value and then create the color for the player. So we could absolutely do that. Color. All right, so we can change the color easily. Okay. So we've got the player name. So let's see. Forward slash player dot name. Okay. Oh, isn't it going to be rendered on the screen somewhere? Where's it going to be rendered? I want to see where it's rendered. Entity.name. Oh, entity.name. Okay. So what we can do is, so entity color, let's change the color. Let's select the color. When the name is placed is what we can do. Okay. So the first name there. Then we need to set the color based on the player's name. So we should create a function called player color name, and that will return this is what we need to do. All right, let's do it. So def player color name, and then we need to return this. For now, name as a string. There we go. Okay. I'm a dip now. See ya. All right, the Tech Man, thank you for joining in. Happy Thanksgiving. And we'll see you next time. What we're going to do is Quantify Quantum asked for one last thing is what we're going to do. We're going to do one last thing here before we head out. And that is get the player's color based on the player name. That is what we're going to do. So we got the name of the string. So how do we want to do that? So maybe what we can do is for set Copilot disable. All right. Shh. The music is shush. The music is a little much. There we go. All right. Okay. So player color name. I need to. So what we could do is for cin name.split, right? So how do we get the char code, right? How do we get char code for Python? Let's look this up real quick. Char code for Python. All right, char code for Python. Char code Python. How do we do this? How do we get the char code for Python, you guys? ORD. It's called ORD. ORD. Okay, ORD. Perfect. I can do that. I know how to do that. All right, we're good to go. So Python, we'll say ORD, and then we say A. It should be like 50 something. Oh, 97. All right, 97. Perfect. So we'll do ORD, and it will be C, and this will be one of the colors. And then we could just sum. Maybe so. What we could do is we could say this C ORD C like this. I think this is good, like that. And then we could say sum this, and this will get us a number, right? This will get us a number. Print, this will call color, like that, color. All right, and then we need to convert it into RGB. We got to convert it to RGB. All right. I gotta go do dishes. All right, Quantify Quantum. See you in a little bit. See you next time, or see you when you come in by. All right, let's see here. Python game.py. All right. Name.split. Name.split. Oh, string. How do we split a string? in Python. Python dot split is not. Oh, it is. It's a built-in. It's built-in. What are you talking about? What is this? All right. ABCD like split should give me an array. Oh, comma. Oh, it can't be empty. It's not. Do we do enumerate then? Is that what we want to do? 1 second. Oh, how does your brain even work? My word? I know, right? Christopher Smith. It just does. It's how it works. It just does. All right. So enumerate. Can we do that? For C and C. We do. Wait. This. C for CN. All right. Let's bring this back over to the top, and then we'll go to the end here. Like that. Enumerate. Expected after a for. For. Wait, isn't it? Wait, for. No. Oh, I forgot this. I forgot the N. C, comma, N. N. There we go. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. So I want it to be. It's not C. It's. We gotta flip these. We gotta flip these around. N, comma, C. There we go. There we go. All right. So this is what we need. We need this right here. That's what we need. You're back, Jonathan. Hey, Jonathan, thank you for all your beautiful jewels and donations previously. Zero Layer, welcome on in. Thank you for joining. You joined the channel. You joined the channel over here to get us on topic for Pytorch, artificial intelligence. That's what we're here for. That's what we're here for. Hey, Jonathan, thank you for the jewels. Appreciate it. You're back. This is great to see you. So happy to have you here. We had to leave. We had to leave yesterday. Hey, Somalia, how's it going? Hi. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Jonathan, happy Thanksgiving. Somalia, happy Thanksgiving. Welcome on in. Good to see ya. Good to see you. All right, so we got that over there. I want to bring this over here. We paste that in there, and we go over this. And then we don't say split. We say enumerate, like this, right? So we say enumerate on the name. Here, let's just do this. Enumerate name. That should do it right there. That should do it. Let's see if that works. Please that. Python game. All right. None type object not iterable. Yeah, it is. What are you talking about? It's absolutely iterable. And is it not there? Name is up here, right? So name, color. Oh, did we not pass it in? Oh, got it. Okay, so this isn't going to work. Yeah. Let's do this. This isn't exactly perfect, but it's good enough for now. It's good enough for now. Can I send $200? No, don't do it. Don't send $200. Do not do it. If you send $200, I can't reciprocate, remember? Don't do it. Don't send the $200. All right, close that. Let's close that real quick. All right, let's go back up here. I want it to be where is that at? Where did it go? Where's our play? Level. There we go. There it is. I want it to be 1. Let's go back to 1. There we go. 1 is a little bit less intense. Send $2,000, not 200. I know, right? That's too much. Jonathan, don't send it. Don't do it. Do not do it. I can't reciprocate. I can't. You can send them 2 million. Ooh, wow. That's a lot. That would be a lot. Don't do it. Somalia, that sounds like a little too much. Just a little too much. Jonathan, chill, donate it to a charity, then at least tax deductible. There you go, Torva. There you go. You can donate it, and then it's tax deductible there. All right, so let's see here. 1 second. Use empty split. Oh, hey, Quantified Quantum, use empty split. I didn't know that you could do that. I missed your message. So yeah, use empty dot don't split to separate every cracker in string instead of doing a whole for loop thing. You have to type in the code. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Do it, Jonathan. Do it, Jonathan. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Do not do it. It's not a thing that we should do. We should not do that. That is too much. It is way too much. A little way too much. All right, so we got the color. The color's working. It's showing up on screen now. So we got 145, right? So what we could do is we can divide it because it gets to around 500. So let's do divide by 2. Let's try it again. Let's see what the ranges are. Let's see what the range is. So there's 500, and then it gets to 700. It gets to 700. It's nothing compared to the efforts. Is it really? I mean, that's really great to hear. It's really great to hear. Happy Thanksgiving, and that's awesome. Thank you for saying. All right, so Gonna go. Hope you like the banner. Eddie Legendary, we love the banner. We got to add that in. You know what? Let's make that. Can we make that a background? Let me just put it as the background. For now, I think we just make it the background. All right, so how do we draw images? Draw image. Here we go. Image. Image load. So we'll do image load here. Let's see. Background. All right, 1 second. 1 second, you guys. 1 second. All right, let's jump back over here. All right, so we got. Let me finish quantify quantum thing real quick, and then we'll add in the background image. Game background image. We'll do this. BG image is Pygame image. Is that what that is? All right, I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters that much. I might stay to see if I have time. All right, so let's do it. All right, we'll add it in. Eddie Legendary, since you have to leave so soon. Tri-string split. That's quantified quantum. That actually would work. It's just it doesn't. So check this out. I tried it. Python. Python. There we go. Go watch this. Split. It works, but not if it's an empty string. It only works if it's something splitting it, right? So I tried that. And that works in JavaScript, right? Quantified quantum, it works in JavaScript perfectly fine. Deployed Python sign language, TensorFlow, MediaPipe, OpenCV, ISL interpreter on render, but users don't get camera permissions. Any workaround? Really? I don't know about that. Oh, it depends on the operating system, right? If you're doing this in Python, you have to make sure that the app has access to multimedia. So if you're on a Mac, you have to enable it. If you're on a Windows, you have to enable it. You have to do special. It has to be special, you guys. All right, let's see here. So let's bring this out. Bring this back over here. Pygame image. Where are we loading the game? We're gonna make this happen real quick. We gotta make this happen. Let's see. BG image. Let's see here. BG image equals load a new game. Here, let's see it. Let's see if we can get some code here. File name, excellent, and it returns a surface. All right, so it returns a surface. Surf backslash C. Do we have a surface? All right, this is it. All right, so this is gonna be here. 1 second, you guys. It'll be like this. That'll be a surface. All right. So background. All right. So BG image equals we're gonna load in the image here. All right. So I do believe it says it's a game card. So let's do this, comma, like this. 1 second. Gotta click a button. I do gotta get going though. We're running out of time. We are running out of time here. LS. This is the game cover. All right. Game cover. Paste it in there. Okay. Game cover. Paste it in. And now we gotta render it. We gotta add it. We gotta render that. So all we have to do is look for surface. Where do we do surface at? All right. Force a surface. So it will be screen. Okay, screen, where is it? Do we game.screen draw circle? How do we add a surface onto the game? That's what we got to do. Do we just say blit? Is that what we do? Where do we do this at? When we find online next time? Probably tomorrow. We'll go online tomorrow. We'll be back online tomorrow, you guys. List text also works. Oh, that would have been a good one, Sachin. Thank you. That one's also a good idea. Python, Watch this. List. Oh, wait. We got to type it right. There we go. All right. That is, Larry, that's a lot easier. That's way easier. All right. Enumerate. We're going to fix it. List. There. Better. Excellent. Thank you, Sachin. That is much better. It says error about the content security policy. Yeah. Parth, you have to get the operating system to add your binary. I think it's like maybe Python. You might have to give Python access to it, right? So you give Python access to the camera. The Python runtime binary. That's what you have to do. The Python runtime binary, you guys. The Python runtime binary. List. There you go. Yep. Christopher. Yep. That's it. Christopher Smith. That list is way better. It's way better. Let's see. Buy yourself. Watch Steven's videos and get the money. Oh, anyways. Yep. Win-win. All right. There you go. All right, so Eddie Legendary, we're almost there. So all I have to do is figure out how to draw this onto the surface. Image load. All right. Here we go. And then image. How do we draw it? Is there a draw function? 2 bytes from string, from bytes, from buffer, load basic, extend, save extend. Here we go. Load, save, get, to string. How do we render the surface? How do we draw? How do we draw? All right, so a surface. How do we draw the surface onto the screen? How do we do it? How do we do it? I don't know. I don't know how that works. So we've loaded the image. We've loaded the image. Is it gonna run? Let's see. Find out here. Let's see if it runs. Python game. We loaded it. It works. It works. Okay. So all we have to do is figure out how to draw that onto the screen, and then we're good to go. Let's see. Where is that at? Surface. Back to C. So this is surface. Screen's a surface. Where is screen? So let's see. Let's see where screen's at. Draw a circle under the screen. If we draw, how do we do it? Like, it's not obvious. All right, draw, rectangle, Python, circle, ellipse, arc, line, lines, ellipse, a lines. Let's see here. Thanks a lot, Steven. Stuck on this error for so long. We'll try to let you know. All right, cool. Parth, I'm actually kind of curious to see if it works. I'm really curious to see if it works. I don't know if it'll work or not. All right, so how do we draw the image? Is it music, pie game? No. All right, so I actually don't know. I don't know. All right, so let's do this. Pie game, draw image surface onto screen surface. How do we do that? How do we do that? There's like a blit. Is it blit? Game load. Yep, game load. Blit. It's blit. Okay, all we got to do is blit. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's all we got to do. Image, surface, rectangle, center screen, blit. Okay. Draw, flip. Okay, display, flip. All right, all we got to do is blit it. That's it. All right, so we can do that. We can do that. Where is it background? For black. There we go. All right, so game dot, where's the blit at? So let's see, /blit. Let's add that in. All right, screen. Is this, wait, game dot screen dot blit image surface. So game dot bg image, and then we go 0 0. All right, that should do it. That should do it right there. All right, let's see if it works. Let's see if it shows up. All right, Eddie Legendary, let's see if your image shows up on the screen. Let's see if it, no, it didn't show up. Oh, why not? Oh, because something else is rendering over the top of it. That's what it is. All right, something's rendering over the top of it. Let's add it at the very bottom. All right, there. It will render. It'll render then, right? It'll render then. Okay. So, oh, there it is. It renders. It's not full screen, but it's there. Hey, at least it's on the screen, right? At least it's on the screen. All right, we'll leave it there for now. We'll leave it there for now. All right, we got to do one more thing, and we got to get going. Quantify Quantum wanted us to add the color. All right, so let's do this. So we can do like division. We can do like simple division. Easy division. All right, so it seems to like go up to 1,000 or so. So let's add that in. All right, so where is the player color? So player.name is right here. So then we also say game.player.color. Isn't there a color for this? I'm pretty sure there's a color for this. Let's double check. Let's double check, you guys. All right, so player.side. Where's player at? Player. All right. Entity. It's player.entity. Okay, so player is an entity, and it's got a color. All right, so color. All right, so it is just .color. All right, this is what we need right here. We need this. All right, so undo. All right, color player. All right, so game.player.color equals color name, and then it will be the name of the current player. There we go. Perfect. All right, there we go. We did it. All right, so now we need to update this function right here to return a tuple that matches the color. So we could do like, color. Let's see, color.color. We can put color in all of these. The only problem is it's going to be too big. So let's see, divide by 10. Let's just do that. Let's just divide by 10. Let's do divide by 10. All right. Yep, gotta get going, you guys. It's Thanksgiving time. I gotta get going. All right. And then I got other business to take care of. Hey, sup, Quantum? All right, Quantum, we're getting your colors going here. Let's see if it works. Oh, it worked. It worked. Kind of. I think I divided by too much. I divided by too much. The color's too much. All right. Let's do 5. Let's do divide by 5. Let's see if that works. And it's going to be grayscale, right? It's going to be grayscale. So how do we do this? All right, we're going to click this button here. All right. Yeah, I figured as much. All right. I figured as much. All right, close that down. I couldn't see the game there. Oh, Christopher, what part of this is for a series? This is, we're just doing a game. We're making a game where, okay, bye then. All right, Eddie Legendary. Good. We did it. We added your thing on the screen. We added it on the screen. So let me just add Quantified Quantum's color, and then we got to get going. We do got to get going. So we got the color here. Oh, what we could do is say, like, we won't divide. We'll divide by 1, and then we'll divide by 5, and then we'll divide by 9 there. Let's see. So then we should get some random color here. Nope, just kidding. It's too big. It's too big. All right, so how do we do this? Let's do some bit shifting. All right, so Python. So let's say our number is 900. So let's see, A equals 900. A1, right? So A1 is going to be, what is 2? All right, so 2, 3, 4. All right, so what we could do is 4, we could do 4, 3, no, let's do 5, 5, and 4, and 3. Okay, that's what we could do. So, dot, dot, 3, right? 4, and 5. Let's see if that works. All right, let's see if that works, you guys. Let's see if that works. We're almost done. Edit Legendary, here we go. All right, close. Nope, there we go. Get rid of that. All right. Here's the game. All right, it's good. It's not like perfect, but it works. So the color is now a perfect brown. It's a perfect brown color. All right, there we go. Perfect brown. All right, it's always brown. It's always going to be brown. I don't know why, but it's always brown now. Is it going to change color at all? Are we going to see anything that's going to change? Oh, there it goes. Hey, Quantified Quantum, your name is so colorful. All right, there we go. We did it. All right, we're good enough. I'm happy. There we go. We did it, you guys. We did it. We're going to commit it. We're good to go. And happy Thanksgiving. I got to head over to Sam's house here. I got to head over to Sam's house now. We added ghosting, not very good ghosting. We added color for the player. We added the background. We added the cover, the image color, and then we also added music. We added the game music. We did it all. Love for the REPL, love the stuff, love the series. Nice, thank you. Genuine question, do you see yourself as a programmer in the TGE in the near future? We will be using artificial intelligence, right? We will be. It'll be artificial intelligence. So yeah, definitely programmer. Sad I missed this. Hey, Christopher, it's all good. It's recorded and it's free forever. It's recorded and free forever. We did it. We did it, you guys. All right. Thank you, everyone, for joining. We're headed out now. Let's commit this code so that way we got it locally. All right. Get status. Get commit-am. All right. We did it. Music, BG, cover, and ghosting. G-hosting. We did it all. We did it. Push. Done. Success, you guys. Thank you so much for joining today on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Is there a certain language for creating music from scratch? Can you do something like that next? There is. And also, Chris, what is it? Kevin? I think it was Kevin. Created a file here called music. Here you go. Make music. There's make music. And you can just make sounds with melodies like this. It's pretty neat. It's really neat. See here, next ls, previous ls. Okay. So you can just do, how do we do this? How do we do, is there a play? Is there an open level _1? See, that was it right there. It's a little bit loud. It's just a smidgen loud. Let me close that. Sorry about that. Are you coding with others on this? Yeah, it's open source, free, available on the internet. It's on our Discord channel, you guys. If you want to join our Discord, it's in our profile. It's in our profile. Join our Discord. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thank you for joining today. We're headed on out. We're going over to Sam's house for Thanksgiving now. We'll be back tomorrow, and we might do something else. I don't know. We might be on to the next thing. We might be doing the next thing. I don't know what it's going to be, but we'll figure it out. All right, everyone. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Good to see you. Enjoy. You too. Enjoy Christopher Smith. All right, everyone. See you, Eddie Legendary. See you, Quantified Quantum. See you, Somalia. And I Try Hard. And then everyone else as well. Web3 MetaTrade, if you're still here. Torva and Jonathan. Jonathan, if you're still here too. It's good to see you. Parth, thank you. Can't wait. Nice. Me too. I'm excited. All right, guys. It was good to see you. Bye, everyone. See you next time. See you next